another place, maybe one I can stand. I move on to another day, to a whole new town with a whole new way. I'm never gonna do what you call the other day.
W's in the chat.
Virginia's for lovers? I don't know. No one really ever knows. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh.
Oh, okay, gotcha. You usually go off the first next one. Yeah, like, this one has Barber Hill on it. It's the only one left in Barber Hill that will have.
I'll show you the trap. So, you go down the like, I couldn't brake either because when I hit the brake, for some reason it didn't work.
It locked up.
So I had to.
Duck out there. Pelican.
Touched by the rope. Pro. But, not what I expected.
Yeah.
48.99999.
It really was 48.98 or something. And he was like, bro.
4.9.
I'm so big. I'm not even big. I'm just.
Bruce said his brother is so tall because.
Oh!
I'm mixing mine up and it looks even better. Can I try some?
Yeah.
Do you just eat it out of the bag?
Yep.
Good?
3 cheese mac and
It tastes like normal pasta, but like with a little bit of cheese. Not that much.
Here, let me see if it's all. Let me make sure you're all stirred up there.
Tastes
Oh,
like
yeah,
pasta.
it's good.
Tastes like I don't have any. I don't have any beef burgers.
Yeah.
I have beef burgers.
Ready?
Yep. Do you see it in the middle of the web?
Mm-hmm.
There is a lot of them. The bugs out here. Spiders.